This tutorial video is related to the video in my Facebook Reels. Click Insert and choose Word Art. Input the topic. Go back to Home to change the font and font size of the text. Select Arial Black to read the text better, and change the font size fitted to the slide. Now insert a rectangle shape, then cover a slide. Then click Send Backwards so that the text appears. Now, you have to hold Shift on the keyboard while you click the word text. Click Merge Shape, then choose Combine. Now, you can insert video related to your topics. After you fix the video, click the Send Backward. Then, click on the rectangle shape you inserted earlier. You need to change the color of the shape fill into white. So this will be the result of what you did. It's easy, right? Thank you for watching.